Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. In this video, I'm asking for a little favor, which I don't do very often. I think I never have, well, except for signing up for my Patreon account, of course. But this will cost you nothing, and it will take only 20 seconds of your time. I started a sailing adventure channel and also an FPV drone channel. And unlike this radio prepping channel, these will be basically bread and butter channels to allow me to go on my sailing adventures and maybe hopefully have a little bit of income as I go from island to island. So please do subscribe. The links are down below in the description. I do need at least 1,000 subscribers per channel, so I also will put my personal channel there if you're interested, and so please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a good one.